For many people, health information can be complicated. And if you're providing health content directly to consumers like wellness tests or sample collection kits, you may be wondering, is my audience getting any of this? We can help you understand if your audience understands. SoundRocket has experience doing FDA user and label comprehension studies. Learning about health information without a doctor by your side is becoming more and more common. Think about online risk tools or personal genetic tests. And as the type of health information becomes more complex, experts worry that some people will struggle when trying to interpret it. At SoundRocket, we evaluate and optimize health content aimed directly at consumers. Be it an educational website or personal test report, we can help you make sure your information is easy to understand and act on, so that everyday people are informed to make good decisions. Our in-house experts include survey methodologists, research consultants, science writers, and health communicators. We improve your content through a combination of one-on-one interviews with typical users and insights from our health communications team. We can also design metrics to measure comprehension. The result is health content that truly resonates for your user. Time and time again, we've seen how game-changing this can be for health products. If you need help with a comprehension study for an FDA 510(k) submission, want your product to be FDA ready for the future, or simply want to optimize your health content in a meaningful way, contact SoundRocket today.